Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing an unboxing of some things that I bought at Scrapbook.com. This is the first time I've actually purchased anything from Scrapbook.com. And basically what I decided that I was going to do, I'm going to be doing a December daily. And I was having some issues with my supplies. I just felt like I just wanted to have a cohesive set of stuff, and I didn't really have that, and I just wanted it. So I decided to go ahead and find something that appealed to me and purchase it, and I found it on Scrapbook.com. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box and show you what I got. Here's all the goodies that I got. I purchased the Snap by Simple Stories. What is this collection called? It's called Simply Vintage Country Christmas. And so this is the book that goes along with all of the different things. So I basically purchased everything that they had because, like I said, I just wanted something that was cohesive and all together. And I've never, this will be the first time I'm like actually doing a December daily, like traditionally. I did do a December daily in 2016, but I used my Happy Planner. So if you're interested in checking that out, I'll definitely make sure I leave the link to that playlist down below. So I will be showing videos on my channel, me creating in this book through the month of December. For December daily, if you don't know what a December daily is, it's basically an album that you put together for the month of December. So you basically do a page for every day of December, or you document a story every day in December. It's something that Ali Edwards came up with, and I just wanted to kind of do like a traditional December daily. Okay, so here is the album, and it is I'm pretty sure it's a 4x6. Let's see how big this album is. It's an 8.5 by 9 album, and I believe it's almost 3 inches. The spine is about 2.5 inches. It is a really pretty album. I love the kind of the vintage feel to it. I love the inside cover. It's got 2 D rings, which I also love because my sister did actually purchase the Ali Edwards kit, and it's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but it has 6 rings. And I'm just like, that's just too many rings to punch holes in if you want to like make your own things, but it's fine. Anyway, so there is a couple of pages in here. Let me just pull these out. So it comes with 8 snap pages and 1 pocket. So it has this pretty December page on it, and it's got a wood grain background, and it's got like a deer and a little barn and some trees, and then some cute plaid on the back. This is a little tag shape, ho ho ho, cute words on the back, and it all of course coordinates. The poinsettia with a really cool kind of like vintage feeling, almost looks like a painting kind of on the back. And then the plaid, I love that plaid. And then the doily poinsettia with the little Christmas trees. This is really cool. It looks like old like paper. It kind of looks like a collage of just different papers kind of all put together, and I love the birds on the back. I love this page with that really pretty teal and the little deers in the forest, and then it's got little holly berries on the back. This one's really cool because it's got this scallop edge to it, and it has just different little, like, it looks like, kind of looks like junk journaling to me, the way that everything is kind of collaged together, and that's what was really appealing to me, that it had like kind of a junk journal feel to it. This has a really light print of like some pine cones and twigs and stuff on the back, with this really pretty cardinal and a little doily in the back. Really pretty poinsettias. And then the pocket is just a one-sided pocket with this really cute Santa Claus image, and just some collaging there on the pocket. It does have several pockets, so it's got some bigger page pockets. It's got 4 of those, and then it's got the ones that are the 4x6s. It's got 4 of those, and then it's got some these are 3x5s and then 4x6s. It doesn't have any 2x2, so I might actually have to I really do like the 2x2 squares, so I might have to purchase some of those. I didn't realize it didn't have any of those 2x2s. The album came as a set, so this, and I believe these numbers, and then this little snap card set all came together, and I believe it was $24-ish. So here is all of the different cards that it comes with. And then I also got the numbers, which it was interesting because I was watching some YouTube videos of people using this, and I was like, oh, I hope I got the numbers. The numbers are really cute. So I'm glad I got the numbers. I also got the chipboard stickers. Again, it's just kind of very vintagey looking. I love the like little collage pieces on it. Just really pretty. The reindeer sold me, and I love the little birdie things in here. The Santa Clauses I'm not too sure about. I don't know how many of these Santa Clauses I'll be using, but that's okay. And then I also got the floral bits and pieces. So this one has all the poinsettias and hollies, and I just thought, I really love hollies. I love poinsettias. I love that really pretty Christmas floral. And then I also got the bits and buys. It's just the other little pack that came with it. It doesn't have any. It just says ephemera bits and pieces. It doesn't say specifically like a title. I love the joyful and the little deer. And then so the other thing I got was this mini sticker tablet, and basically it's just exactly what it says. It's just little stickers that go with the collection. I love this one. It's got like, looks kind of like washi tape, and then it's got the little tabs, and then this one's really cute. It's got like little safety pins. That one's really pretty. And then more numbers. Yeah, and it's just got tons of different things. It's kind of, this is the planner girl in me, kind of saw this and was like, yes. Oh wait, it also has that. I didn't show you that one. This back page with all the wood veneer like stickers, but they're not really wood, obviously. And then there's also, where is that page at? This one. It has all the like tiny words. Love that. And then I went ahead and got the 12x12 paper pack. The nice thing about this is these cards that come in this pack are different than the cards that are in this, the snap cards are different than these cards. So that gives you a lot more variety. Plus you also have another set of numbers if you want to use that. And then it also has a really beautiful sticker sheet on the back. I love the tickets, and I loved the bingo card and just the 25 and the believe and all of these words down here. I really love that. That's super pretty. And then I did get two vellum sheets as well. I got this really pretty snowflake one. I liked this one because it kind of had like a vintage feel to me, because the snowflakes weren't they're very, they're not very cartoony, but I do want to add some gold elements to it, so that's why I wanted to go ahead and purchase this one. I also got this one, and it's basically just the words. I'm a sucker for anything with words on it, and I love this vellum piece. It's so pretty. And this was Christmas Joy from Paper House. I also got this other sticker sheet because it has all of these cool like collage-y strips in it. So yeah, I got quite a bit of stuff. I just really want this year, I just wanted to have some, I wanted to have a specific collection that I could use. And of course then I'll pull stuff from my stash and things like that. So I'm really super happy that I have this in my hand. I can start doing it. I've got a couple of days off of work, so I will be crafting like crazy for the next couple of days, and I'm really excited to dive in. And like I said, I'll be sharing these videos with you throughout the month of December going forward. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know if you are doing a Christmas December daily, or if you know of anybody that is, and maybe recommend some channels to me, because I love watching things that inspire me. So I hope that you guys have a great day. I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.